I don't want no aggravation when my train has left that station. If you're there or not, I may not even know. Have a round and remember things we did that once so tender. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. On my old guitar sell tickets so someone can finally pick it, and tell the girl down at the Ritz I said hello. Tell all the gossipers and liars I will see them in the fire. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. Oh, let it blow. Oh, let it blow. Long and loud, hard and happy. Let it blow, but don't you let me go. No regret, all my debt will be paid that fine day. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. All right. You be left without excuses, all the evils and abuses, down to the days and years ago. Have yourself another toke from my basket full of smoke. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. Oh, let it blow. Oh, let it blow. Long and loud, hard and happy. Let it blow, and don't you let me go. No regret, all my debt will be paid that fine day. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. Deborah. I don't want no aggravation when my train left that station. If you're there or not, I may not even know. Have a round and remember things we did last December. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. Oh, let it blow. Oh, let it blow. Long and loud, hard and happy. Let it blow, and don't you let me go. No regret, all my debt will be paid that fine day. Let that train blow that whistle when I go. Oh, let that train whistle blow. Let that train whistle blow. Let the train blow that whistle